What's up, everyone? In this video I'm just going to be driving 240 around a little bit, and I'm going to take it to do a photo shoot today, and just take some pictures of it and just post up and chill. I'm pretty bored today, so there's nothing really to do. I'm going to wash it right now, show you guys. It's really dirty from the last event. I just wet it, but I need to wet it again so I can wash it. I'm gonna start washing her now, and then I'll show you guys once it's clean, and then I'm gonna drive it from there and go to the place where I want to meet up so we can go do the shoot. All right, so we got her over here doing a little bubble bath, getting her soaked up and just getting all that grime and dirt off. Let's rinse her down. Bad thing about this hood is everything else gets wet, but nothing else you can do. It's fine. Alright, so let me get this bad girl dried up, and we're ready to go. I'm drying her up. I swear these things are like the best things ever invented to dry a car up. It takes like no effort. You just swipe it over the water and it comes right out. Just like that, it's dry. Boom. Let me get her all done up and she'll be ready to go. Driving to 240, going to the meetup location. Just driving around, having a nice little cruise. We're about to take off. Over here, just taking some pictures of the 240. Got her set up right there. Alright, so finally made it back home. I went and did the photo shoot, took some pictures of the 240 like I said. I just drove her around and just took it for a nice cruise. Went by the beach actually. Should have got that on video, but next time we'll do that. go for a little joyride, and we'll just record that. But that's pretty much it. Just wanted to have some fun, watch the car and drive it a little bit and show you guys that. So thank you for watching my videos. If you like them, please subscribe and check back for other videos soon. I'm going to start working on my other 240 that you guys saw in the other video, so check back. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.